here. Leave reality behind adventure. So, if you take a look around me, of course, you know we are at the Magic Kingdom. We got Family Ann, we got Brittany, we've got Aubrey, we've got Bella and Christopher. Nieces, nephews, and just a really good time. We're at the Magic Kingdom. We are waiting to go on to... So we've got Pirates of the Caribbean next. And as you can see, there's a lot of people, but it's not as crazy as it has been. It's been a really good day so far. We did not get here till about 2 o'clock, 2:30, somewhere in that ballpark. And we actually grabbed a bite to eat at the Wilderness Lodge and came on over by water taxis. So stick with us, and we're just going to give you some sights and sounds today and some shots of the girls enjoying themselves. So it's not about the channel today or the last few days. This is about the kids having a good time. So that's all. Come along.
When did we become besties? So just because you said it.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, I would have no problem with that.
Feathers, dearie. Show up your flock.
Hey, send them hints to Davy Jones. It's the rum they want. Drink up, me hearties.
Just I offer for these harpy heads.
chicken tenders in the donkey sauce.
The donkey
Right.
sauce is amazing, and so is the chicken.
So they take Captain Crunch and they grind it up, and that's what they bread the chicken with. Not bad.
That sounded gross, but it's good.
Has total sense in it.
The drink is amazing.
That is one heck of a milkshake. So it's got the vanilla, it's got the strawberry, then of course it's got marshmallows, white chocolate chips, and a birthday cake on top. So kind of cool.